Assalamu alaikum. Today I will paint a still life in oil paints. First I will use white or purple colors. First use oil on canvas. Oil opening pin. Use colors for. These colors I used for tiles on wall. White plus black plus yellow. Use colors smoothly. I just try to teach. This drawing. Floor paint. I use white plus blue. Colors for floor painting. I use gray colors for shadow at the time after I use. Color for shadow. Blue plus red. When I will paint the brush, then I use white plus brown plus ochre. Most of them I paint brush stick in rounder. They looks like rounder things, but I will try new practice. I paint stick like up to down means vertical, and some places use round shape because they looks like rounder stick. At the brush bottom T, colors white plus purple. No brush hair. Round plus white plus purple. Colors for use. Use stocked in hair. That's important. At last I paint. Dustbin uses colors white plus black. Now the times for make shadow. Blue plus red colors for shadow. Now details time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this and subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.